What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which we're going to cover Crypterium again, or the Crpt token. Was requested quite a bit. I said I'd analyze it when it was moving again, and then I realized that actually at that point of time it is already moving. It's up 50% now in a day. Volume also up to some nice numbers, 86 million, 1.36 times the market cap as of right now. That's quite high, and it's still growing. There's still momentum in the price. It's been a while since I analyzed it, but my last analysis was something like this. I think that was fairly true. As you can see, we first trended down towards this level right here at 60 cents. That held for a couple of days, or for a day and a half or something, and then afterwards I thought we would drop down to around this level, around 40 cents. Luckily we actually held a little bit higher at 44 cents, so that's great. As you can see, that's a 200 EMA on the 1 hour time frame, which we can switch to now. And then we did it on a 30-minute time frame because it just got listed on Coinbase. But yeah, let's without further ado, let's just get right into it. I don't want to stall and ramble too much. So with Crypterium, it's looking very good. And right now we're at a very important level as well, I think, and that is the level between 80 cents and 85 cents. And this whole analysis is basically based around that level, because we need to break this in order to really get another bull run started. Obviously, this is already a bull run, but I think you know what I mean with a real bull run, something like this. I'm not sure if something like that in percentages will be possible, but I do think we can get higher than this. And the main thing we would need to do is break ideally above 85 cents, but as you can see, we've never really broken above 83 cents either. So I'd say breaking above on the 4 hour time frame, at least breaking above 83 cents would actually be enough to continue this bull run. And my next price target would be, and it's quite obvious, it's the all-time high as of right now, would be $1. And obviously it's the all-time high, but it's not only because of that it shows a price target, it's also because it's at $1. It's a big psychological resistance level, and it's also the 2618 fib of this recent bearish move. And what I always try to preach a little bit, because due to some testing I found out that that's quite a reliable price target, is that from the last bearish fib, always the 1.618, 2.618, 3.618, they're quite reliable. You can see that right now as well, and that increases the strength of the 80 cents up until 85 cents level as well. So it's tougher to now actually break through it than it was right here, but obviously now we have gotten more momentum left. After this move, there was not a lot of momentum left in Crypterium. There was a lot, but relatively not a lot, if you know what I mean. So yeah, we need to break that level, which, as I said, has become harder now due to that 1.618 being there. But I'd say that there's nothing to worry about as long as we stay above 70 cents. So from now on, we can drop down to 70 cents, consolidate on top of that. As long as we stay above that, and arguably the longer we stay above that, the higher the chance of actually breaking that 83 cents area and getting up to our price target at $1. But then again, you must know, and I always say that it's a very double-edged sword to pick one of those levels that's really strong, because if we drop down through 70 cents, so if we break below that, we'd probably drop down to 60 cents. And 60 cents might actually hold for a couple of days. But I'd say that that's enough of an indicator to also know that the price will drop down to levels a little bit further down. So I'd say right now a realistic price target and as a support, well, couldn't really talk for a moment, a realistic price target to see as a next support if we break through 70 cents would be 55 cents. And that's the first support upon which I think if we break down through 70 cents, I think we can start at least like a small uptrend from that again. So that's the other scenario. That's the bearish side of that 70 cents area. But I do think, I mean, if you take a look, the volume is still growing. The whole crypto market is relatively bullish. A lot of altcoins are going to the moon, frankly, right now. So there's definitely a lot of opportunities. And I have some good hope that we can actually stay above that and get to $1. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Crypterium for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said within the video, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.